Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. You see right in front of me the Chevy that we took down to Daytona truck meet just last week. And on the way back, if you haven't seen my last video, this thing decided to blow up. Not really blow up, the turbo started making noise. Before we get into this video, I want to talk to you guys about Daytona truck meet. It was absolutely insane. I know I've said it before. I know I've said it. You've heard it on everything else. Absolutely insane. I just cannot express how much I love you guys for showing up to Daytona with all the excitement and everything else about the truck. I'm literally just this little small YouTube guy from Dayton, Ohio. By the way, we're about to hit 10,000 subscribers. Throw down in the comments if we should do something crazy for that. Anyway, I cannot express how much fun it was to be able to meet you guys, anybody that came out to meet us on the beach, at the truck show, just driving around town. I'm literally driving this thing through intersections. There's people sitting on the side of the road. Hey, that's Nasty Nate, whatever. And they're taking videos and Snapchat stories and Instagram stories. And it was just unreal. The whole experience was just amazing, and I could not do it without you guys. I appreciate the crap out of you guys. You guys know it. And I love doing this stuff. I could not do this stuff without you guys. The social media thing just wouldn't work without the following that you guys have brought with the truck and with the YouTube channel and everything else. So I'm just it was the best experience I've ever had at a truck show, truck meet, car meet, anything. So huge thank you for that. Anyway, there are some people out there that think that I put my truck or my vacation or truck shows or whatever as a priority in my life. If you are one of those people, that is the most ignorant thing I've ever heard. Yeah, the truck is one of my favorite things to do and mess with and go places with and whatever, and we do plenty of things and meet new people and make this thing look different every video and make videos for you guys. Anyway, there are literally people out there that think I put my life on YouTube and this is all that I do. No, I try to only stick to car stuff on YouTube or truck stuff on YouTube or social media, and there are people that think I put my truck in front of my child. What are you talking about? That is so ignorant, it's hilarious. Anyway, this video is explaining the truck is broken. Literally, the truck is parked in my driveway, done for. It's at its final resting place. Not really, but it's gonna sit here for a little while until I do enough research on it and figure out what I wanna do. And I wanted to show you guys the new daily. It's a Honda Pilot. It's the 06. It's a 3.5. I think they call these J35s. I'm not a Honda guy. I guess I am now. I literally have always wanted a Honda Pilot. I always thought they looked like a reasonable daily driver car, and I am just so excited to finally own one. I can literally put my 2-year-old daughter, right, actually she's about to turn 2, so shout out to her, happy birthday to her in July. Got her car seat with, you know, the teddy bear and the bunny, her 2 favorite things, and it is so just surreal almost that I finally get to own a Honda Pilot as my daily driver. I was looking at Civics, Accords, stuff like that, and they are literally the same price as a Pilot because of the whole market of used cars right now. So I'm like, I'm buying a Pilot because these things are sweet. And you know, I found a white one to match the truck, to match the Suburban, and then I got the M3 sitting at my parents' house. That thing doesn't run. I might make a video on that. I really just put that on the back burner because it doesn't really get a whole lot of attention on social media and YouTube, and I don't know, it makes it more fun when you guys are engaged in what we're doing. So I want to explain what's going on with this and tell you why we bought the daily. So this thing was my daily driver since 2017. Love this thing to death. I wish I could keep driving it, but it literally terrifies me that these things they're actually kind of complicated diesel engines. If you go back and look at a 12 valve, you're like, you could do anything to a 12 valve for pretty cheap, and it's fun. At the end of the day, it's a freaking tractor, man. This thing is fun from the factory, but it is a little more complicated, which means there's gonna be a lot more stuff that goes wrong. So I've had stuff that's gone wrong on this thing ever since I've owned it. Not crazy, it's all the common stuff. First thing was head gaskets. Did head gaskets in 2018, I believe, and I've been driving it ever since. I've put 50,000 miles on it since I did head gaskets, 40,000 about. We did that at my buddy's shop. Huge shout out to him for letting me run all kinds of stuff through his shop and do stuff there. Anyway, when we came back from Daytona, we started hearing turbo noise. I got back from Daytona. This thing's making noise. It's my daily driver. The Suburban's torn apart in a million pieces in my garage. Stay tuned for the Duramax Suburban swap. Check out the videos down below. Anyway, I'm like, I'm buying a freaking Honda because I want to drive something that I don't have to worry about. And then I can play with this thing, leave it in my driveway, take it to shows, get it ready for shows, get it ready for truck meets, anything like that, and not worry about destroying it because I'm driving it every day. So this weekend, I'm tearing apart this thing, and I'm going to just basically remove a lot of piping, see if I can find any boost leaks, because it might actually be a boost leak. There's a small chance, but very small chance. So hopefully that's the case. Then it's going to be really cheap to fix. If not, I'm going to get to the turbo and I'm going to feel for shaft play in the turbo. Other than that, I don't really know what else to look for. It's making noises with the turbo, so it's got to be associated with that, or boost or whatever. So that is my plan with this. Let's go look at the Honda Pilot, because I'm honestly so excited about this thing. It's like I'm a little more excited about this than anything else I've ever bought, just because it's like you open this, you get in it, and you just drive it. You literally just drive it. That's all you do. You buy a Honda and you just drive it. So let's get this thing started up. Shoo! This thing starts just like a Honda because it's a Honda. It's a Honda Pilot, cloth interior. I thought it was leather when I went to look at it. Actually, I was kind of disappointed, but it's actually pretty clean. I think they detailed the crap out of this thing. It's got 148 on it. It's just simple. I love everything about it. I don't know. I've got this rug back here. I've got little books and kid stuff in here. So this is the ultimate dad car, if you ask me. So I don't know. Just super happy with this. I'm not going to take you on a drive because all it is a Honda. It drives perfectly fine, perfectly smooth, right down the road. Doesn't make a single noise. Anything, knock on freaking wood, because God, that's just what I need, another car with problems. Let's go walk back to the truck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the updates and stuff like that. There's been just too much going on in my life. All kinds of house stuff, all kinds of car stuff. Been trying to do more family stuff lately. We're going on vacation with my daughter and my family in like a week. So my life has been a mess lately, and I'm just trying to catch up after Daytona, for real. Anyway, I hope you like the videos. Throw down in the comments of what you think I should do to the Chevy, because I'm not sure. I'm kind of torn. I don't know what to do with it. Anyway, subscribe to Nasty Nate. We'll catch you in the next one. We'll figure it out.